When you go to your refrigerator and open it, you'll see that 1 of 4 bottles in your refrigerator has been filled, packaged, or labeled by Krones machine. Krones is in the food industry, where means our machines have a high security standard. Krones offers lines for beverage technologies and food producers with process technologies, filling machine, packagings, and IT solutions on top of all of these machines. Therefore, we need to ensure our employees get the most secure and best workplace they need to do their job. Windows 11 Enterprise gives us the opportunity to provide our employees the best of features, usability, and security as a standard. Because of the intuitive design, we didn't need to spend time on training. They just were able to start using it at the first moment. We have a big variety of different worker kinds. So we have production workers, we have office workers, and we have our service engineers. Therefore, we from the IT side look at our operating system that can serve all of these employees. Windows 11 Enterprise provides the best working place for our employees outside in the production area, in the office, on traveling, and on customer side.
Especially our service engineers are benefiting most from the simplicity and optimized operating system.
Windows Autopilot gives us the option to get the devices pre-installed from the hardware vendors. It's a really smooth process for us, and also the user like it.
Our employees can pick up the device at our desk and set it up at home, in a cafeteria, or at any place they would like to.
The good experience spread throughout all departments pretty quick. So everyone was eagerly waiting to get their hands on Windows 11 as well, to gain the same improvements in their daily work.
Because of the easiness and intuitive design and the preparation work we have done with Windows Update for Business, Intune, Update Analytics, we were able to provide Windows 11 Enterprise to our employees very, very fast. Our line of business apps are mission critical for Krones. Our service engineers use them day per day to configure our machines and ensure the machines are running properly.
We have around 1,000 line of business apps, and we have no issues with the compatibility from Windows 10 to Windows 11.
Security plays a big role for Krones.
What I love most is the feature Windows Hello. Logging into my computer by just smiling, isn't it great?
Windows 11 Enterprise helped us to improve security at Krones and protect our globally distributed endpoints and over 6,400 patents.
Features like Windows Update Deployment Service, device readiness reports, and endpoint analytics proactive remediations help us ensure the upgrades are running seamlessly and successfully for our employees. Mission of Krones is to provide solutions beyond tomorrow. Due to the efficiency of Windows 11 Enterprise, we can save time and focus on operations for our customers. Windows 11 Enterprise enables Krones to deliver solutions beyond tomorrow.